In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Shopify store with QuickBooks using the Shopify app. This will streamline your accounting process, making it easier to manage your business finances. First, let's start by opening QuickBooks and navigating to the Apps section. You'll find this in the left-hand menu of your QuickBooks dashboard. Once you're there, it's time to search for the Shopify app. Simply type Shopify into the search bar, and the app should pop up right away. Click on it to see more details about what the app can offer and how it can enhance your business operations through integration. Now let's proceed to install the Shopify app. Installation in QuickBooks is straightforward. Once you've clicked on the Shopify app, look for the install button and click it. You'll want to wait a moment for the app to download and install. This process usually takes just a few minutes. Follow the prompts that come up during installation to ensure everything is set up correctly. It's very user-friendly and designed to guide you through each step with ease. Upon completing the installation, the next phase is connecting your Shopify store to QuickBooks. To do this, you'll need your Shopify credentials on hand, as the process will require you to sign into your Shopify account. After logging in, you'll authorize the connection between Shopify and QuickBooks, which will allow the two platforms to communicate effectively. This authorization is crucial as it enables the automatic sync of data, such as sales information and inventory levels, between the platforms. Once connected, it's important to spend some time configuring the sync settings. This part might seem a bit detailed, but it's key to ensuring that the data transfer between Shopify and QuickBooks reflects your business operations accurately. Here, you'll want to review the default settings available and adjust them according to your business needs. Consider how often you want your data to sync. For some, a daily sync might suffice, while others might require more frequent updates. Also, determine whether you want to import all your past transactions or just sync new ones going forward. These decisions are important as they impact how data appears in your QuickBooks account. Feel free to take a moment here to think about your business goals and how this integration can best support them. At this stage, a test sync might be useful. Initiate a manual sync just to ensure that data is correctly flowing between the two platforms. Verify the results in QuickBooks to make sure everything looks right. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated your Shopify store with QuickBooks. This seamless connection will save you time and reduce manual errors, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.